Okay, so I got into my car and I was about to go, and then this came up on the dash. So it's license plate, lamp left. Ah, nuts. All right, so let's check out that light bulb. And left side, okie dokie. These two screws can be quite tight, so be careful you don't strip them. So what I like to do is get a much smaller screwdriver, and we should just be able to just pry that right out. Whoops, there she goes. Right, I don't need to test that bulb, I can just by visually looking at it, it's blown. Alright, so let's snap in the new bulb, and then this should just push back into place. Ah, lovely. Now the more I think about it, I should have tested this before I screwed it back in. Anyway, we're committed now. Back in. Alright, I'll go switch the lights on, let's see if this thing works. 1, 2, 3. And we'll come over here. Ah, works well. Alright, job done. Alright guys, I'll see you next time.